Hello dear students, welcome to our online English school. Today the topic of our lesson is food and drinks. Let's learn some phrases to talk about lunch. Have a cafeteria meal, have a packed lunch, eat fast food, go home for lunch. Listen to the instructions carefully please.
What do you do for lunch? Label the meals.
As you can see, we need to match these four pictures with the phrases. First picture. In your opinion, what is the girl eating now? Yes, she has a packed lunch. In the second picture we see that the boy is in the school canteen, so he has a cafeteria meal. In this picture, the girl is having lunch with her family. So the answer should be go home for lunch. And in the last picture, the boy is eating fast food and the answer is eat fast food. Let's check. Very good. Let's do some listening exercise. Listen to the instructions, please.
What do the school children do for lunch? Listen and choose.
Can you help me with my survey?
Okay.
Sure, what's it about?
School dinners. What do you do at lunchtime, Emma?
I have a packed lunch, but I'd prefer to have school dinners in the winter when the weather is cold.
And what do you do, Harry?
I go home for lunch.
What do you do, Kate?
I have a packed lunch. So what do you do, William?
I have school dinners, but I'd rather have a takeaway.
Now, I will explain to you how to express preferences in English. We use I'd rather and I'd prefer to talk about what you would prefer if you could choose. We use I'd rather and add verb. For example, I'd rather have a takeaway than school dinners. Please, be careful here. We don't need to use preposition to after I'd rather. So we use I'd rather and add verb. For example, I'd rather have a takeaway than school dinners. Next expression. We use I'd prefer, add to, add verb to talk about what you would prefer if you could choose. For example, I'd prefer to have school dinners in the winter. Here, we need to use preposition to after I'd prefer. So we use I'd prefer, add to, and add verb. For example, I'd prefer to have school dinners in the winter. I'd prefer and I'd rather are both conditional forms. The present tense is I prefer. For example, I prefer coffee than tea. We only use I'd rather in the conditional form, not in the present tense. Let's do some grammar exercises. Listen to the instructions carefully, please.
Complete the sentences. Use rather or prefer.
Repeat, please.
I'd rather.
I'd rather.
I'd prefer to.
I'd prefer to. Now, let's complete the sentences with I'd rather or I'd prefer to. First sentence. I'd prefer or I'd rather to have school dinners in the winter when the weather is cold. There is a preposition to here, so we need to choose I'd prefer. I'd prefer to have school dinners in the winter when the weather is cold. Good. Next sentence. I have school dinners, but I'd rather or I'd prefer have a takeaway. There is no preposition here, so we need to choose I'd rather. I have school dinners, but I'd rather have a takeaway. Very good. Next sentence. Which do you rather or prefer to have? School dinners or packed lunch? You see the preposition to here, and the sentence is in present simple, so we need to choose prefer. Which do you prefer to have? School dinners or packed lunch? Next sentence. I'd rather or I'd prefer have packed lunch. There is no preposition here, so we need to choose I'd rather. I'd rather have packed lunch. Very good. Let's continue. Why do you prefer or rather to have a packed lunch? Again, we see the preposition to, so we need to choose prefer. Why do you prefer to have a packed lunch? Next sentence. I'd prefer or rather not to eat the school cafeteria sandwiches. Be careful here. In this sentence, there is a negative adverb not followed by the preposition to. So we need to use I'd prefer. I'd prefer not to eat the school cafeteria sandwiches. Very good. Next sentence. I'd prefer or I'd rather have hot food than cold food. There is no preposition, so the answer would be I'd rather. I'd rather have hot food than cold food. And last sentence. School dinners are okay, but I'd prefer or I'd rather to have takeaway fish and chips. We see the preposition to here, so we need to choose I'd prefer. School dinners are okay, but I'd prefer to have takeaway fish and chips. Very good. Let's do some more grammar exercises. Please listen to the instructions carefully.
Put the words in order. Then listen and check.
Are you ready? Let's start. Here you see 6 sentences, and we need to put the words in the right order. First sentence. The beginning is I'd rather. Then we need to have verb and object. I'd rather have cheese. Let's check.
I'd rather have cheese.
Very good. Next sentence. The beginning is I'd rather. Then we need to have verb and object. I'd rather have pizza and chips. Let's check.
I'd rather have pizza and chips.
Very good. Next sentence. The beginning is I'd prefer. Then we need to have main verb and object. I'd prefer to cook at home.
I'd prefer to cook at home.
Very good. Next sentence. The beginning is I'd prefer. Then we need to have preposition to, main verb and object. I'd prefer to eat healthy food. Let's check.
I'd prefer to eat healthy food.
Very good. Next sentence. The beginning is I'd rather. Main verb take. Object. And let's check. I'd rather take a packed lunch to school. Let's listen.
I'd rather take a packed lunch to school.
Excellent. And last sentence. The beginning is I'd prefer. And here we see negative adverb not. Not. I'd prefer not. Then preposition to, main verb and object. I prefer not to eat fast food. Let's listen and check.
I'd prefer not to eat fast food.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Good job. The lesson is over. See you next lesson. Goodbye.